In this video, I'm going to show you how to make PewDiePie in Infinite Craft. So the first thing you need is to combine water with fire, which gives you steam, and then steam with fire, which gives you an engine. Now you want to combine engine with an engine to get a rocket, rocket with a rocket to get a satellite, and now you need engine plus steam. So we need engine plus steam to get a train, and now train plus rocket to get a bullet train. And then if you combine satellite with a bullet train, you get internet, okay? Now you need to make a pig in order for this to work, okay? So to get a pig, you need to put in earth and then fire. There we go. Now you've got yourself lava, and then lava with water to get a stone. Stone plus steam will give you a geyser, and now a geyser plus internet, which will give you YouTube. Now you need earth plus wind to get a dust, and now dust plus fire will give you ash, and then ash plus water, which will give you puddle, and then dust plus water, so dust plus water, which will give you mud. And now once you've got your puddle and your mud, you want to combine these, and you got yourself a pig. And now if you combine YouTube with pig, for some reason, this gives you PewDiePie.